Next is a plank hold. The concept is energy system interaction. Holding a plank requires the body to continuously regenerate ATP to maintain muscle contractions. At the beginning of the exercise, the ATP PCR system supplies most of the energy. As the hold continues, anaerobic glycolysis contributes more ATP, while the aerobic system becomes increasingly involved during longer holds and recovery. This demonstrates that all three energy systems work together rather than functioning independently. The plank is a good example of how the body transitions between energy pathways based on the duration of the intensity exercise. So once again, we're doing planks. You do it for 3 sets of 45 seconds. You're down here, forearms flat on the ground, back flat. You're just holding here, 45 seconds.